Are you dreaming to become a princess instantly while you play with your friends? This is a solution.
Bigyan mo ka muna din din.
We have here is the accessories. Meron po siyang mga tali, supply, and a glass, and a ponytail.
Kunyari,
From Frozen Optics.
sakay nasiraan.
This is range from $399 on. So, para sa ating mga princesses na gusto maging princess pag sila walang magawa, pag Sabado at Linggo, o di kaya kasi lang nila mag-play. This is your order for only $399. And kung gusto nyo na may gumamit accessories, for only $350. So parang difference lang
Mali
natin.
mo naman. May ano.
So, meron din tayong supply, ponytail, and mga ipit as well para sa ating mga chikiting.
We're also selling the variety costumes for Disney princesses, just like Elsa, Snow White, and some of the iconic characters and superheroes that range from $2,229. Perfect for your school activities and for your party needed. And also some of the Mickey Mouse accessories that range from 150 pesos up to 399 for comb and for some of the accessories for hair.
Maraming item siya that range for only $499. Para lang kayo
Sabay ako, Madam
mag-go
Binili.
or Jollibee dito. So meron ka ng wallet, ponytail, panali, clip, and brush hair. So this is a portion from Optima. You can buy it here at SM
Ay, yung siya sa amin.
store. All of the
Hindi
store
naman
that
nalata kasi.
the Optima. So bilhin nyo na po ito. Ocean,
Eh, kasi nasa
from
ano
Optima,
natin.
$499 lang. Also, $349. Buy now to become the beautiful princess. Your playtime.